My name is Anton Huber. I'm the CEO of Handshake, and we are pharma IT consultants since more than 30 years. Today, I want to introduce Smart Audit Trail, which is a data integrity solution to add audit trail functionality to systems, Windows-based systems to be straight, which are not capable of audit trail by themselves. In addition to this, also data integrity relevant functionality can be implemented. I will come to a little later. The result of the audit trail implementation is the audit trail, which captures all the information about who performed which action, when, was it permitted or was it rejected. Permitted and rejected is one of the major functionalities of Smart Audit Trail to limit the functionality of the application to what the user is really using and is permitted to use during regular operation. If the audit trail indicates that something was performed not being permitted, you can search for such events. So you can use the filter ability of Smart Audit Trail to easily look for events which are not permitted, and this reduces the number of lines which needs to be read during audit trail review to the necessary. In addition to this, an NDA report can be created, checking if some activities defined previously were performed without stepping over some in the right order, so that everything is according to the SOP or the related instruction. From perspective of configuration, the permissions within Smart Audit Trail are controlled by Active Directory groups. The administration of the system, Smart Audit Trail, and of the system of Windows can be separated according to the data integrity regulation, as well as the ability to electronically sign a record or to view the audit trail, which is necessary to prevent violation of data protection laws in some countries. Also, you can define here that the application which is actually used by the user to perform the regular operation is run as shell, meaning that the Windows desktop will disappear and only the application you define will be available for the user. You can see this in the top left section of the screen. The black and yellow lines are these entries. So these are the programs which some of them will automatically start. Some of them are available on right mouse click on the desktop. Some of them will cause the system to log off automatically if the program is closed it is related to. From perspective of setting this audit trail, you can define exactly what needs to be captured and what just should be blocked or just should not be mentioned at all. Meaning that the configuration dialog of each element of a dialog is identify the element, give it a name, define if it can be activated by the user or needs another user to confirm by signing double, or even give it reason why this activity was required in the situation the user was at the time he tried. In addition to this, you can lock mouse clicks on the element, blocking the user to activate it, as well as block the keystrokes, which are usually used to activate such elements in the dialog. This allows you to limit the user functionality or the functionality being available for the user to the required set of functionality he needs to perform regular operation. And this limits the requirement of qualification to exactly the elements used during regular operation. Dramatically reduction of qualification time and cost is a result of this, and it is one of the most appreciated functions of Smart Audit Trail. Smart Audit Trail also allows you to copy data in the background to secure file shares, which are not even visible or reachable in the user context, so that data which is created is secured against any kind of manipulation immediately after being created. And you always can have this information on top of your fingers. So in case of an audit, you may have experienced already yourself how releasing it is to know exactly the information, who performed what on the system, is available anytime. Here is the report electronically signed that it was reviewed in the audit trail, being available and readable, and that is the person confirmed everything is fine. So the auditor has no reason to, in any case, find something not being permitted. Would be great to have a personal conversation, and thank you very much for your interest. Have a great day. Thank you very much.